If you've been waiting for a move-in ready home in Phoenix with no HOA and a pool, this is the one. Welcome to 1019 West Wescott. 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, just under 2,300 square feet, sitting on an oversized corner lot right here in North Phoenix. As you walk inside, you are greeted by a wide open floor plan with tile throughout, tons of natural light, and space that actually flows. The kitchen's been upgraded with beautiful 42-inch cabinets, sleek granite countertops, new stainless steel appliances, and plenty of room to cook and entertain. With 4 bedrooms, you've got flexibility for family, guests, a home office, or whatever fits your lifestyle. And this backyard is what Arizona living is all about. Large private pool, oversized covered patio, and tons of space to relax and enjoy the sunshine all year round. Sitting on a large corner lot, the front entrance has adorable curb appeal with a white picket fence and plush turf. This location can't be beat. You're right off 7th Ave and Union Hills with quick access to the 101 and 17, so getting anywhere in the valley is a breeze. If you want to see this one in person, contact me today.